All right, YouTube, what is going on in the world, right? Look, I'm reading, things are getting crazier and crazier by the minute. I mean, by the minute on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Google, everywhere I go, now we're hearing that, California is on lockdown. Now, by the way, if there's anybody out there from California, I would love to hear from you. We're hearing that little drones or like drones are flying around, barking orders at people, telling people what to do, what they can and cannot do, where they can and cannot go. A friend of mine was in New Orleans in the French Quarters, and on the loudspeaker, which no one even knew where it came from, they told him, "Go home. You have too many people in your party, too many people in your group. Go home." I mean, look, it is like something we see out of a movie, right? Out of a frickin' movie. I mean, I'm blown away. And I think a lot of people out there are pretty, I guess I want to say, I don't even know, delusional, right? Delusional. They're not understanding what is going on here. What is really going on? Look, I did not want to get on here and fearmonger, and I won't. But let me read a few headlines, okay, guys? Like I said, this stuff is getting just out of control. Okay, and then I got a lot of important things I want to tell you guys. Okay, California Governor Gavin Newsom orders 40 million residents stay home. The order is open-ended. Modeling predicts nearly 56% of the population will be infected over the next 8 weeks, 2 months. So by June, over half the population, that's 20 million people, right? Pennsylvania, Governor Wolf orders all businesses that aren't life-sustaining to close. Okay? Wow. Okay, New York, Governor Cuomo orders 100% of all non-essential workers to stay home. Okay? 4 people died in New York. 2 people died in Wisconsin. 2 more in Vermont just now. I'm watching a live tracker here. I mean, this stuff is, and we're hearing, like I told you, the military. We know they're sending them to up in Austin, about 3 hours from where I'm at now. The military is on the border of the edge of town with mobile units, RVs, military personnel. Okay, a friend of mine told me that. I don't know, guys. I mean, I'm truly getting scared. I mean, and with the whole 3G thing, or I'm sorry, 5G thing going on, it does seem a little weird to me. Like, is there a connection there? I heard it's kind of crazy, but I'll tell you what I heard. I don't know if I want to go down that rabbit hole quite yet, but I heard, the vaccination is going to basically microchip you, and then 5G will be able to track you like you are now a human GPS, right? Crazy. I don't know, guys. Let me take this off real quick. It's getting hot in here. Look, I'm getting worked up. Hang on, guys. Look, I'm going to move this big bulky thing in a minute, but give me 1 minute. We're going to let Canelo, we're going to protect Canelo for a minute. Damn it, hang on, Canelo. I got you, buddy. I got you. There we go, guys. What do we talk about? California lockdown. Texas, I believe, is soon to follow. What about our Constitution? Now, that is a very interesting argument. What about the Constitution? I mean, if you're out and about, can you be arrested? We heard in France that, yes, you can be given a citation and or detained. If you are found in public, you can be given a citation and or detained. By the way, I've got the essentials here. Paper towels that double as toilet paper. Barbecue sauce. Beans, and more beans. Why? Because I'm from Texas and I like my damn beans, okay? Water for days. All them people that were out there running around freaking out, buying water. Well, here you go. I told you guys we're not going to run out. Not yet. Now, not yet. Now, it could happen. It could happen. I don't know. Like, I don't know. I don't know what to make of this anymore, guys. I really don't. I mean, at first I thought, is it a virus or is it more of fear and panic? Was it man-made? Did it come from a lab? We know now that it came from Wuhan, China. Okay, December 30th, Dr. Li, reported it on social media to his colleagues. The Chinese government quickly intervened. 8 other people in China detained for doing the same thing, trying to give information. Now, what would have happened if the Chinese government would have got a handle on it a little bit earlier? Now, I don't think that would have totally prevented anything, okay? Not totally, but I mean, who knows? I don't know. Again, is it a bioweapon? Was it made in a lab? Did it come from a freaking bat, like a little bat? I don't know, guys. You tell me. It's crazy. Now, I've been alone too long. I've been here for about 10 days by myself. I don't want to be around my family right now. I live alone. I broke up with my crazy girlfriend. And I'm afraid to go outside. And pretty soon, I don't think I'm going to be allowed to go outside. I don't know. I'm saying I don't know too much. I know I'm saying I don't know because I don't. I mean, it is getting crazier and crazier and crazier. And by the way, shout out Crazy Renee, Ghoul51, Relic, all you guys in the comment section. Thank you. I really appreciate all you do for the channel. I do, all you guys. Sub to the channel. Hit the like button. Thank you. Maybe I'll throw a UFO clip in here. I don't know. But guys, where do we go from? What is going to happen? If you want my prediction, I do believe we're going to be on lockdown for a while. I believe that, we're going to become prisoners of our own home. To be honest. Maybe another month, 2 months, I don't know. They're talking about, giving, money out or whatever. But what about people that pay bills? I mean, I heard that they're going to, cut breaks and all of that, so hopefully they do. I hope, the big companies out there, don't, I just hope they do the right thing. I hope they don't try to screw over people. Because right now, I mean, the world wants to get back to work. They want to get back to life, but what do? You can't. You're being ordered and told to stay home. Then, even if you're not, ordered to be in your home, you are putting other people at risk. You're putting yourself and your family and everyone at risk. So then you have this moral dilemma, right? This moral dilemma. I need to go do things. I have responsibilities I need to take care of. But what if I get the virus and I give it to my grandmother or my mom or my elderly neighbor? I would feel terrible. Could you imagine if you had the virus and you passed it along, to an elderly individual and they passed away? I mean, I would feel horrible. And I thought about that. So I don't know, guys. So I'm probably going to leave it at that. I just don't know what to do. Like I said, I'm going crazy here, and I'm getting a little worried. So, you guys, look, leave a comment below, sub to the channel. I'll be back.